thank everyone for subscribing to our channel. Hopefully you're finding the channel helpful and giving you some tips and tricks from the professionals on how to repair sprinkler things that you've got going on in your yard or on your property. If you feel that there's something in the videos that you'd like to see done differently, or something that you feel like you'd like to see that you haven't seen a video on yet, we have like 40 plus different videos on the channel. So if you're just getting here to see this video because you were looking it up on Google, feel free to go to Gary Sprinkler Repair on YouTube, the actual channel, and check out all 40 plus videos that we've got so far. Again, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing if you've already been here before. And today I'd like to show you how to use a wire to cut a piece of PVC pipe that's maybe in between two other pipes where you can't get a saw in and there's just not enough movement in the pipes to be able to get in between there with any kind of a cutter to try to cut the pipe. So we're going to use a wire to cut a piece of pipe, and I'll demo how to do that. Hopefully the weather will hold out and it won't rain on us. Oh, but I can't cut it without cutting the other pipes. And we can see it's right in the middle, and so what we're going to use here is a wire string cutter. So you can use a wire. So I've actually seen people use all kinds of crazy stuff, but if you look, I'll show you a picture of it. There's the rubber handles on the side. There's another rubber handle on the other side. We feed it underneath the pipe. We go side to side until it cuts through the pipe. And you might need to support your pipe with your foot. So that portion of the pipe right there, we might need to support so it's not trying to bend up while we're trying to do this. And if you're ever doing this and there's water in the pipe, you'll be going along side to side, going to town, and all of a sudden you're gonna see that it stops and the wire gets stuck. You're gonna have to carefully reach down and pop the wire loose because it's melting into the plastic, but then the cold water in the pipe hits it and makes it stop moving and sticks it to the wire. And that wire is gonna be scalding hot, so when you push down to push it with your finger or your thumb, make sure you're wearing a glove or something because it's gonna be hotter than a firecracker when you're trying to get it unstuck from that pipe if it sticks on there. So I'm going to show you real quick how it goes. You can see here, you just take and set it down in your trench. I reach through here, sorry. So I set it down in my trench. I'm pulling it down and going underneath. You can see I drag it over to here, and there's my wire on either side with my cutters in my hand. So now to cut that, I just put some support on that end of the pipe with my foot and go side to side real fast with this, being sure not to get off to the side here where the wires are going to come into contact with that pipe, which we don't want to cut.